everyone! Yes, I miss you all, guys. Once again, I'm your reactor here. My name is Jayson, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, JRodix TV. So, for now, guys, we're going to react again your favorite Money for music. And this music with the title of Karigumba Nangse. Wow, what a nice title. And this is an official movie song released 2022. And this movie with the title of Taru Tarubi. Yeah. And this is uploaded by no other than H360 Pictures. Thank you so much, H360 Pictures. So, who's the artist here? The artist here, guys, starring Suma Leisram and Sura Nangse. So, let's start, guys. Oh, once again, by the way, guys, you know what I mean. You know what I mean, guys. For those new to my channel, please help me to get the 6,000 subscribers, guys. So, please don't forget to subscribe first to my channel. And hit that bell button for me, for you to be updated always on my next reaction video. So let's start now, guys. Roma. Oh, what a nice flower farm. Tarubi. Wow, what a beach. Blue beach. Suma Leisram. I like you, Suma Leisram. What a nice farm here, guys. Flower farm. Very nice place. They're shooting this music. Huh? I like that. I like that place. Wow! Suma? That's my Suma Leisram. Very talented artist. You're like a flower also, Suma. Wow, look at that. Is that a castle? Where this place? Is this in Manipur? Guys, is this in Manipur place? Oh, this look like a Buddha. Wow, I like this place. They look like a prince and princess here. Oh, this is my first time to see this. Like, wow, look at that. What is a temple? Like a temple. Whoa. Wow, what an organizer this music is. The choreographer. Wow. Perfect place, guys. Perfect. White sand beach. Wow. And flower farm. Woo. That are very that place very suit for them. handsome and beautiful artist. Plus, very fabulous places. I don't know, is this in Manipur? Please comment down below, guys. I like this place. I like to come with that place. Wow, look at the dragon! Dragon, guys! Oh, look at the Buddha! Is that the Buddha? My God, perfect place, guys. I like it so much. They look like a fairy tale in this taping, guys, in this shooting. See? Wow. The prince and the princess. Wow, that's our Karigumba Nangse. Wow, a fairy tale music. A fairy tale music. Karigumba Nangse. I like it so much. What a producer, what a director made by this music, guys. I like it, and I'm so shocked this kind of a place. Tell me if this place is in the Manipur. I think in other places. Don't angry with me because I'm not familiar this no, I'm just asking if you have like this place in your country, in your place, or in your state. If you answer my question, so that's the time that I will I believe that you have a more tourist spot in your state, guys. So thank you so much. I like it so much. This Karigumba Nangse. I love you. Sumalay's Ram. Thank you so much for this performance. I love you, and thank you so much. So guys, that's all for today. Again, our reaction video. Wow, I'm so happy, I'm so excited that once again I made another reaction video today, because I'm so because I am addicted with the music in Manipur. That's why mostly in my channel, guys, I always react Manipur songs. So for those watching right now my reaction video, you have also right to comment or request, even you are in the different state. Alright, you are in the Tripura, if you are in Meghalaya. I'm not the person, or I'm not the kind of a person that I will not entertain you. Okay, all of here are I can entertain, guys. All of you are my what's this? You are my people. You are my friends. You are my brothers and sisters. We are one here in my channel. So please don't hesitate to request with your music in your country or in your state, I mean. So thank you so much again, guys. See you on my next reaction video. And again, please subscribe again to my channel, okay, and help me to get the 6,000 subscribers. So, thank you so much, guys. I love you all. Aina nangbo nongshi e tagachari. I love you all. God bless you. Bye bye.